Hello everyone, Said here. I welcome you all to the virtual school, a new way of learning and teaching with the vision of let's grow together. Today we are going to talk about Indian political thoughts of Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. VD Savarkar. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar was an ardent nationalist and revolutionary. He was born in May 1883. After his early education in India, he moved to England, and in England he carried out revolutionary activities and developed intimate relations with other Indian revolutionaries like Madame Khama, Lala Haradayal, then Madan Lal Dhingra. He spent several years in Andaman jail because of his revolutionary behavior. The Britishers caught him and kept him in the Andaman and Nicobar Island where the cellular jail was set up. Usually we used to call Khalapani. So Khalapani is in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. He joined Swaraj Party of Tilak after release from the jail from the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Later on, he joined the Hindu Mahasabha. So, he expressed his thoughts in his writings, or we can say in his books, called My Transportation for Life. 6 glorious epochs of Indian history. Hindu Padupadashi, Indian War of Independence of 1857, and Hindutva. We'll move forward with some other his thoughts. According to Savarkar, the first war of Indian independence covered far-flung areas from the Peshawar to Calcutta, was inspired by the concept of the Swadharma and Swaraj. So he covered Peshawar to Calcutta and from Himalayas to Kanyakumari. It was missed here somehow, and was inspired by the concept of Swadharma and Swaraj. The real motivating force of the great struggle was wrath at the destruction of God-given liberty and imposition of political slavery. Again, he also expressed his thought like the independence war received blessings from Hindus and Muslims. He believed in cultural superiority of Hinduism and supported the ideal of Hindu resurrection. He said, let Hinduism concern itself with the salvation of lives after death, the concept of the God and the universe. The Hindus are a nation bound by a common culture, common history, common language, common country, and a common religion, as per his thoughts, or he has written in his books. He expressed his views about the Hindutva, or he said, or he depicted 3 criteria of Hindutva. He said, Hindu is one who feels attached to the area extending from Indus to the Brahmaputra and from Himalaya to Kanyakumari. He said Hindu is one who inherits the blood of the race. Third one, he said, a Hindu who feels pride of Hindu culture and civilization represented in the common historical memories of achievements and failures. So well depicted the concepts and his thoughts in his writing. Lastly, he said, or he distinguishes between the Hinduism and Hindutva. Hinduism as a religious and the theological concept as per his views, and Hindutva as a political concept which comprehends social, educational, economic, political and cultural matters as well. So we learn about the political thoughts of Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, a revolutionary man. We can look at him. He was the brilliant man, and unfortunately he was behind the bar for many years, and because of that only his health deteriorated, and but somehow he managed to put his thoughts in public, and he gave his fight, and his book really inspired millions of Indians. The book called The Indian Independence War 1857. Everyone should read that book and learn something about history of India and the Indian Independence War against the Britishers. Thank you so much for listening this video. Do like, share and subscribe. You can comment into the comment box how we can improve or we can bring different materials for you to know about India and world. You can join our Telegram channel to listen the daily news or important news in and around the world. You can listen our new concept as we are came with the news and editorials in the MP3 as well. So MP3 will be available on the Telegram as you can download it, and on YouTube channel you can listen it while you walking, then cycling, cooking, eating, or during free time or early or evening walk. You can listen it and you can increase your vocabulary, or you can improve your pronunciations and comprehension. It will help you in for your competitive examinations or day-to-day life. So thank you so much. God bless you all. Take care and see you in the next video.